Now Python is a widely used language. So if you want to work in web development or let's say machine learning, whatever it may be, now the Python is become unnecessary. Like if you want to use Python, what are the three best IDEs to work on Python? So number one, PyCharm. So PyCharm is one of the best IDE available for to work with Python. It just supports debugging, or if you want to work with some web development frameworks like Flask, Django, or let's say if you just want to work with version control system like Git, GitLab, or if you want to work with some databases. So everything you can just do it with PyCharm. And the second thing is VS Code. So VS Code is a lightweight IDE. When compared to PyCharm, it's a lightweight and it has a lot of extensions available. If you want to work with any other module, so you can just install it. And the third one is Spider. So even the Spider is also a lightweight IDE, so you can just perform all the operations and you can just use it for Python programming. I just prefer to use PyCharm. So what's your favorite IDE? Let me know in the comment section.